Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to talk about flags in Microsoft Outlook. Now, flags are basically a way to keep track of important emails that requires follow-up. So let's say that this email from Apple requires a follow-up from me. All what you need to do is to press on the flag icon right here. Now it will be flagged, as you can see, and the red flag will be on. This means that you need to follow up this email. Now, another thing, let's flag this email from Adobe. And once you have all of these emails flagged, you can easily see them in this menu. Now, let's go back. As you can see, this menu is called the tasks menu. And here it shows all the flags email. Now, I'm telling you to hover over without clicking on this menu to see a list of the flags emails. Now, if you want to see a full list, you can simply click on it and it will turn the view to the tasks view. Now, these emails needs follow-up from me and I must follow these emails. Now, these two or these three emails that I just flagged are flagged for today because I just flagged them. Now, once you click on any of these emails, it will show up in the right and you can respond or do whatever you want. And once you are done with it, you can click once and it will be removed from this area. Now, if you want to go back to the emails menu, go back by clicking here on the mail icon. Now, let's say that I'm done with this email. Click once on the flag and it will turn to this check mark. The check mark means that this item was flagged and I'm done with it, so now it has a check mark. I don't need to do anything else with it. And this is a very good way of tracking the emails that require some attention and that requires follow-up or that requires you to do something, then go back and remove the flag, just to make sure that you are not forgetting what you need to do or what has to be done, you know. So when you click a flag, you basically flag the item for today. So this item must be done today and you must do it today. What if you want to flag an item for tomorrow, this week, next week, or a custom date? Well, you can simply do that by right-clicking on the flag itself and you will get a menu, and I'm saying it right-click, not left-click. Now, click tomorrow and it will be flagged with a different color. Now, if you clicked here, you can flag it for next week. You can flag this email. Let's click on the flag itself, sorry. You can add a reminder. You can mark it as complete, as you can see, or you can create a custom flag. Now, this custom flag can be of a specific date. Let's say on 3 December 3rd. Now, I have all of these flagged. If you go to this menu, you can see all the flag items. Now, I usually don't use the scrolling feature. As you can see, sometimes it disappears. So click once on it to see. Here we have the today flagged item, tomorrow, next week, and here we have the next month flag items. So by entering the tasks menu, I know for sure what needs to be done and when to do it. Now, once you are done with any of these, simply click on this icon and it will be removed from here and you have nothing to do with it. Now, if you went back to the mails, you will see a check mark over the items that you have finished, as you can see here. And this is how easy it is to use the flag feature. Again, it's a very important feature that helps you keeping track of the tasks that you need to do. So if your boss assigned you a task and you have to deliver this task at a deadline, let's say a week from now, you will most likely forget. But using the tasks feature, you can easily keep track of the most important tasks that you need to do in order to respond to these emails. Now, what's better is that you can even add a reminder. You can go to this email, right-click, add a reminder, and you can flag to follow up, and start date for this is December 4th. And here is the reminder. You can ask it to remind you a day before the deadline, which is December 4th at 2 p.m., let's say. And this will be the sound that will play when this reminder time comes. Simply click OK, and it will be a flagged item with a ring bell beside it to indicate that you will get a reminder when the deadline comes or a day before the deadline. Again, it's a very nice feature to remind you of the most important tasks that you need to do. That's it for this lesson. If you have any questions about anything, please ask. I'm here to help. Next, we are going to talk about another feature, that is the categories. But that's it for the flag features. Thank you for watching. This is Ashraf. See you next.